Once you download the plugin package, unzip the file to a local drive. Any location on your hard drive will do fine, so I'm going to unzip the package to my desktop. Simply double-click the zip file in order to extract package contents. Now, if I open the folder, I can see another folder inside named Manuals, and of course the plugin installation file, which is yet another zip. However, no need to unzip this one because WordPress will do that on its own. But that's the file that I'm gonna need and look for when I will be installing Bookmate plugin in WordPress. Okay, let's open WordPress admin now. From the dashboard, select Plugins, Add New. Next to the plugins page title, spot the button saying Upload Plugin. Click that button first, then click Browse button in order to select the plugin installation file. Bookmate zip is my target file. Now click Install, and the very last step is the plugin activation. Simply click Activate Plugin button and your work is done. As a proof of successful installation, Bookmate menu item will be added to the dashboard. You can see it's there, which means I can now move on to the next step and configure my newly installed plugin.